Balamsizako, amanya gange, Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita. Greetings everybody, my name is Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita and we are back with our Luganda lesson. Tukomyewo n'okusoma Oluganda. Leero tugenda kusoma ku ennukuta, vowels, ennukuta, enjogeza zetuwandiika bbiri mu kigambo. Nga tuwandiika ennyukuta enjogeza bbiri mu kigambo okuba nti tukiwanvuya. Kati ebigambo ebimu ebyo bibaamu ekimu oyinza okiwandiika n'ennyukuta bbiri, enjogeza bbiri oba enjogeza emu. Kwegamba amakulu gakyukira ddala bw'owandiika enjogeza emu ne bw'owandiika enjogeza bbiri. So today we are going to learn about words which we write with two vowels to make it longer, to sound a bit longer. The same word can be written with one vowel. So the meanings changes the minute you choose to write it with double vowels or single vowels. In Luganda, meanings change if you write a Luganda word with double vowels or single vowel. For example, fuuka. Fuuka, you can say it's longer. It's longer because we wrote two vowels. Ekigambo kino kiwanvu, fuuka. Fuuka kiwanvu lwa nsonga tuwandiise ennyukuta enjogeza bbiri. In English, fuuka is to change. To change color. Fuuka, to change color. So we can write the same word with a single vowel. Fuka. Double vowel, fuka. Single vowel, fuka. Fuka means to pour. To pour or to urinate. Fuka, fuka, Luganda, fuka. It means either to pour or to urinate. Siva. Siva is two vowels. Siva. Siva is to fast. Siva is to fast. So if we write it with one or single vowel in the middle, single vowel, siva, 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 siva. Siva means to tie. To tie. I think you can see the changes in the meaning when you write with double vowels or single vowels. Ndoza mukiraba nti no amakulu g'ekigambo gakyuka bw'okozesa ennyukuta enjogeza bbiri oba emu. Lama. Lama is To make a wheel. To make a wheel. Lama, lama, to make a wheel. Mala, mala, mala is to smear. To smear. Mala, mala is to finish. To finish. Sova, sova. Sova is to go slow. To go slow. Sova, sova, sova. Sova is to defect. To defect. Sova is to defect. Sova is to go slow. Kuma. Kuma. Kuma is to defend. To defend is kuma. Then we have single U. Kuma. Kuma is either to amass, like make a gathering, or to make fire. To make fire. So that's what we've seen, using two double vowels to make the word longer, and if we use single vowel, the meaning changes. So in addition to that, in Luganda we don't write a word like with double vowels at the end. We don't write a word with the double vowels at the end or at the beginning. For example, like we wrote kuma, kuma. You can't write kuma. No, it's wrong. Kuma. You can't have double vowels at the end or at the beginning. This is wrong. You write kuma with a single vowel at the end. So in such this is a rule in writing Luganda, but what we call Luganda tetusobola kusembyayo ennukuta njogeza bbiri. Ku kigambo tusembyayo ennukuta njogeza bbiri oba osoosa ennukuta bbiri. But there are some words which don't obey this rule. There are some words which don't obey these rules. So waliyo ebigambo bye tusobola okuwandiika mu Luganda naye byo nga tebikola ki, tebigenda na tteeka lino. Ebigambo ebyo kye kino: that is no. Ah, that's no. Yeah, yeah, that is yes. Yeah, yes. No. Yeah, yeah. That is like wondering. Wondering. Yeah, you are wondering. Then there is oh. Oh. Oh is like you are recording something. Oh. You are recording or remembering. This can be recording, or remembering. Oh, you are recording something. Ah, that is no or netta. Yeah, that's yes. Wondering. So these words do not follow this rule whereby we don't have double vowels at the end. Ebigambo bino byempandiise wansi bya Luganda naye byo tebigoberera tteeka lino. Tino tetuwandiika ki ennukuta enjogeza tetusembyayo, ebbiri tetusembyayo. Kati ebigambo byo tebikkiriziganya na tteeka lino. Mwebale nnyo, mwebale ddala okuwuliriza. Nsigadde ndi Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita. Akuume. Thank you so much for listening. I'm still Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita. Stay blessed.